Hi everyone, my name is Madison Rogers. My background or job, I am in my second year as a special education paraprofessional at an elementary school from where I'm from. I work with different students in the mornings and the afternoon. This year, in the mornings, I work with a cluster of 4 students. Primarily, my focus is on 2 students who have more aggressive behaviors. So I focus on them more in the morning, and then in the afternoon I work with one student who needs more one-on-one attention. He has ASD. Experience with assessments. I don't have too much experience with assessments. I did take a course last semester or the semester before about different types of assessments in classrooms, so that is pretty much all I know about assessments. I haven't done one personally, haven't given an assessment. What I hope to get out of this class is more knowledge on assessments and the different kinds there are, and how students can be assessed and evaluated using different tools. And the first concert I attended, I think, was a Toby Mac concert when I was in elementary school with my mom and dad. I think that was the first one I attended. Yeah, so I look forward to getting to know the rest of you. Thanks.